Ladies and gentlemen, special exhibition here.
Get him, Chuck.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Truck.
Hey, I got 100 on my boy Truck.
I got 100 on my boy Panther. And somebody go get her.
Ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the bell has rung, and it's actually time here in the zone. Oh my God! Are you ready? He's got Truck. Truck has him down. Truck is a wrestler. You see that takedown? Truck's got him. Truck's got him. You see this? Oh my God, he's got the leg. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing the intensity on this man's face? This man is the very face of fear. Do you see this? This is terror. And look at this is some good wrestling, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, he's rolling around. You can only see it here, right here on intensity. Look at this. Oh my God. You see it? Do you hear that? This is action. This is the kind of action we live for. This is the kind of action we live and breathe. And ladies and gentlemen, like a zone, we've got the pin. No, it's not the pin. No pin there. We got the shoulder up, and there we go. No. Wait a minute. One. No. He's got the shoulder up. Shoulder is up.
Somebody got a rep this shit. Where you at?
Shoulders up. He's keeping his shoulder up. Wisely keeping his shoulder up. He's got to, but when fatigue starts setting in, it's going to become a problem. He's got to get out of this position. We have a full guard here. We have a full guard locked on here. Full guard. How's he gonna get out?
Hey. Fight that nigga like that. He ain't gonna quit though, boy.
My goodness.
He ain't gonna quit, dog.
Something's gotta give here. Something's gotta give here.
Mexican, he don't quit.
Look at this right here. My goodness. You crossing the border. You crossing the border, nigga. He's got that leg locked in. And anything can happen at this point. Trying to catch his breath. But something's got to give here. Truck's got him, and something. But he's got a full guard on. So wait a minute. The tide could turn easy here. Oh my goodness. Something's gonna go. Oh my.
Come on, Truck. Slam him, what?
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh. Gets him off, and we continue here. Action here in the zone. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Here we go. He goes so sweet. Truck's on him. Truck's like, you see this? This is action. This is the kind of action we live for. Oh my. You see? Truck's got him. Oh my goodness.
That ain't no man, that's a beast.
This is amazing. This is amazing action. Oh my goodness. You gotta see MMA right here. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to encourage you to check out our sponsors here on YouTube. We'd like to thank YouTube for allowing us to do this. My goodness. Yes, indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to say hey to our friends up in New York in the NSW.
Hey, Truck, you a G, let him up.
My goodness.
15 hours later again.
Let him up, Truck. Let him up, Truck.
Let him up, boy. Let him up.
Let him up and get him again, Truck.
Something's gonna give here.
Panther got him.
This is hardcore stuff here. Oh my, look at him. Oh my goodness, look at this right here.
He get a better angle.
Don't use the couch either.
Oh my. Something's gonna give here. Somebody is gonna get caught. Truck trying to power out.
That's my boy Truck right there.
The truck is revving up. You gotta love it. This is a beautiful match. Oh my goodness, the impact. That's what we're about here on intensity.
Hey, yo, we got some changes. These
My
two,
goodness.
the winner of these two gonna fight him.
Oh my goodness, and we have it right here.
I want to see that.
Gonna fight who?
One fight.
See, I'm locked in.
Come on, Truck. Slam him again, boy. Slam him, boy.
This lock has been carried on for a while, and somebody's gonna get it.
Roll.
Panther got it.
Who's gonna
I don't want to hear that shit.
Panther.
I don't want to hear that shit.
Panther may have him.
He's Mexican, my nigga. He don't quit.
Okay, so that's right here.
Man, Chuck, get him, dog.
Oh my goodness, and here we go. It's action time. Oh no,
It's over, it's a route.
front headlock position. This is classic MMA.
It's a route.
Oh wait, he got. Oh my goodness, this is action. This is some great action. This is some great action.
It ain't done.
My goodness, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue here.
Trump gotta quit because he ain't giving up.
Yes. You got on the scale downstairs, dog.
Panther gonna win.
Lock is in. Look at the referee's gonna check here. He's taking his time. He's really taking his time. Taking his time. Something's gonna get here.
These guys are banging cocks.
Come on, guys, here we go.
Slam that motherfucker truck.
Here we go.
Slam him truck.
Oh my goodness, here we go. Big slam.
He don't quit.
He's trying to power out of this grip. This is a vice lock.
Go ahead and tell, Panther. Go ahead and tell. It's over, man. Go ahead and tell.
You from LA, baby. We don't give up. You from LA.
That shit. You know, Africa, nigga, he don't never give up.
He was a LA Espanol. Nigga, you got rep to Spanish dogs.
Like that, he's
LA, homie, we don't give up.
Yeah, y'all build houses for $2.
It's not even my direction to fight. This is something that get him.
Come on, man. We gotta fight, man.
Something's gonna give here. Something is gonna give here.
I'm telling you, the truck gonna quit.
Like Don Cornelius.
Something. Somebody. This has been an amazing match.
Like that nigga. Work that nigga truck, something, nigga. Break him, blood.
Trying to power out his truck. The truck.
Break him, blood. Go ahead.
RPM.
Kiss that nigga.
Something's gonna give here.
No tap. Kiss that nigga.
That's my blood.
Is it
No
over?
tap.
You gotta win.
Nigga die.
Referees and
Die
checking here.
before you tap.
We don't give up. We don't give up.
Oh my goodness.
He can do all that he wants. He can do all that.
Something's gonna get.
Before you tap.
Tell him,
Don't tap.
tell him your back man out of bacon. That shit don't hurt.
Look at this right here.
Tell that nigga you go hard. What's Adams in this bitch?
Hey, flip backwards
This
and throw
match
his
is
ass.
going to the defensive now.
He wanna quit, dog. You ain't emoted.
Back on the offensive.
Go ahead and tap. Go ahead and tap.
Something.
You can tap my
Something
hand.
is going to give here.
There you go.
My goodness, here we go. Truck.
I told you not to go in.
Look at this right. Oh my. Bad. This is bad. This is bad. This is not good. Full mount. He's got him in the mount. He's mounted. Full mount position. And there's a truck taunting. Truck saying I would have had you. This was struck. Oh my God. Oh my. Go backward.
Oh my God.
Something's got to give here. We are down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen.
If you hey man, done, dog.
Gotta give it up.
Nah, hell no, they done.
What happened? It ain't over.
We crips, nigga, that's right, cuz. No, hey, low. Matthew. Show head, motherfucker.